Friday, a little after 1 p.m. on May 7th. I'm Chief Meteorologist Mike Hurd with an on-demand storm tracker forecast update. Here's the current setup. Cold front still working its way into the region, and as this thing lifts to the north and east, this is really going to draw up a lot of potential thunderstorm activity through southwest Montana right out ahead of this cold front. So as you look at live Doppler radar, it's still holding around Butte and along the Continental Divide, but again, what I'm expecting to see is thunderstorms to develop right back down in here, and then that whole thing is just going to start to lift off towards the north and east and head up towards Ennis and Bozeman. So we have a thunderstorm outlook from the Storm Prediction Center, still a marginal risk. That means there could be a few isolated severe thunderstorms with damaging hail, damaging wind, and very heavy rainfall. Lots of lightning. This again starts just southeast of Dillon, but Ennis, West Yellowstone, Bozeman, Big Sky, Manhattan, Belgrade, Livingston, and possibly even up towards White Sulphur Springs is right in the middle of this as well. So there's a flood watch out for the potential of some heavy rain. But even though the entire Gallatin County is highlighted, this is just the way the National Weather Service disseminates this information. But it's only, and I repeat, only for the Bridger Foothills fire burn scar. All right, just northeast of the Bozeman area. So the reason is that there's charred earth, there's the hydrophobic layer, moisture's having a hard time penetrating the earth's soil, and with steep terrain, there's a lot of runoff potential there, and there could be some flash flooding and some debris flow. So that's something we're very, very concerned about Friday afternoon into Saturday morning. So breaking it down hour by hour, 3 p.m., thunderstorms starting to fire over Beaverhead County. By about 4 to 5 p.m., Bozeman, we're right in the mix of the whole thing. So we could see some strong, borderline severe thunderstorms. Very heavy rainfall is possible between roughly 3 p.m. and 6 p.m., but we will continue to see periods of rain that could change to snow even as we go through the overnight hours Friday night in the early morning hours on Saturday. But as you go through Saturday afternoon, there's just these little pop-up rounds of hit and miss rain and snow showers parading around southwest Montana, but things are certainly on the cooler side. So latest forecast modeling on potential precipitation, we could see 3/4 of an inch to an inch between Ennis and Bozeman, and a little over 6/10 of an inch in the Big Sky area. Butte, you could be in the line for 1/4 to 1/2 an inch. Dillon, hopefully around 2/10 of an inch is certainly a possibility. But these areas in yellow, that's the main concern for some moderate to heavy precipitation in the form of rain, but there could be some snow mixed in with this as well, especially Friday evening into early Saturday morning. And most of this will melt off as it hits the ground in the lower valleys, but higher elevations like around Big Sky, Cook City, 4 to 6, 6 to 8 inches of snow is a strong possibility.